This is how to stop someone from snoring. First of all, just slap them. And then when they wake up, just remind them to stop snoring. My cousin is snoring right now, if you can hear it. And it's so annoying. I want to slap her right now, kick her in her face. She's literally 6 years old, snoring like a horse, bruh. Like, shut up. Bye, guys. Good night.